Hey guys, here, here I'm out with another video on Subway Surfers cheats. So here Subway Surfers open. So for this you need to root on your Android. I have shown how to root on my last videos, and you need to install an app called Freedom. After you install Freedom, open it, click on Subway Surfers, and then after you open Subway Surfer shop, click here, and here is the sack of keys, 300 keys. Always check the number here. Free card. It should come something like free card and etc. So buy. Payment successful. And my keys are increased. Oh, hold of coins. Buy. Done. Coins increase. Like this, you can also buy those packs. Yeah, double coins, and there are also some starter packs and others. I have got them all. You can also pull this. Here now, find menu. Prince K, Brody. Now I buy Zoe. Any boards? So now the hot rod board. So now like this you can keep on doing it. Also on other apps. My next video is gonna be on Dr.